dear tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2020. Hi Geminis, let's see what's in cards for you for the month of March 2021. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have 6 chakra energy, Archangel Metatron. However, it is in the reverse position. So this card is somewhere suggesting that your third eye is looking blocked. That is, your intuition is looking blocked because of some reason. So let's see what other cards are suggesting. We can see 3 of Swords energy in the upright position in your relationship segment. Now this energy is suggesting that somewhere there is a possibility that you will be going through a heartbreak. This might be, there might be a situation like a separation, too much of stress, or somebody cheating on you, somebody playing some political games in your relationship, and that is going to make you bitter, that is going to exhaust you, that is going to stress you. So here I would suggest that this heartbreak could be temporary or it could be permanent. So depending on the situation that you are in, you have to pick and choose the advice. Don't get yourself exhausted because of it, because there is a high probability that it would stress you. It is however, this situation looks little tough for you guys, because yes, there is a heartbreak around the corner. There is a possibility of separation or a separation situation. So here I would say just hold on, let the time pass by. Things you will know what decision to take. I won't be able to say whether it will shape up well or it will not shape up well, because it is too early to talk about it. However, yes, there will be some certain important decisions which might be made over the period in the coming months for you guys. Coming to your career, friends, you look quite in control with your career. The justice will be done. You will be in the righteous position. Things will be taken care of in your career front, and it will act as a very good support system for you, and you will pretty much be in control of it. So don't worry, career is going to be really stable and very much in control of. Coming to your finances, I can see your finances were draining maybe in past, and there has been a financial constraint which you can see. However, you are trying to come out of that constraint, or there is a risk that you might get deeper into it. So depending on your decisions, the choice will be made. So here I have drawn extra cards just to understand what the situation could be. So I'm getting 3 of Cups card, which is suggesting that you might get deeper into a financial there is a high probability that you will be expending too much. So here you have to be little careful in terms of not expending too much in your financial segment, otherwise it might lead you to really tough time in finances. In the financial segment, you don't look very secure here at the moment, at least. Coming to your health, I can see Four of Cups in the reverse position. So somewhere you are holding on to a lot of things and you were quite stable in the past, but right now your health is looking totally upside down. So either you are in the phase of releasing certain things and moving on in your health towards better health. Here I'm seeing too much of duality for Geminis. So I'm drawing another card again. Here I'm seeing Two of Cups here in your health segment in the reverse position, which shows again emotional drainage and lot of stress from emotional front. Emotional health is looking little tough. At the same time, your physical health is also looking little tough, so you need to be little extra careful. I don't see a collapse in the health surely, because I can see a card, advice card of success. So whatever you're going through, whatever transition you're going through in terms of health, that is also going to take you to a better level in your life. How depends on your each and every individual's chart and the situation that you are in, but yes, it is going to teach you a lot in your life. So tough way for sure. Fairies are suggesting you to be strong, and they are suggesting that they are there with you. So wherever you feel you need help, you can actually call for the divine sources for your help. They are there to support you, to strengthen you, to face the coming time. Listen to the situation, listen to people around you, listen to synchronicities, listen to what universe is trying to communicate to you. And by listening, I mean don't hear, just listen to what they are trying to communicate, and try to understand the message from the universe and decide on your way of action in future. So I hope Geminis, you sail through this period safely. Take care. Friends, I really hope that this video, this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page. Wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group, and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign race predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care, guys. Keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.